14 Cruise 9 on the startup. Tony rolled in with his 70 Chevelle SS. Looking under that sunrise. 14 Cruise 9. Classic performance. Now look at this old timer right here. Yo. We're at a South Orange South Coast Collection. Right off the 405. Dano. Back to the Costco. They're setting up over at the Costco Fountain Valley. Tri-5 crew. They're gonna roll in together. That's one bad post, ain't it? Yo, two-tone. Dano. How about that? 73 Nova. Hey, Tall Mike and Wicked. Look at that, huh? That sound is unmistakably. Okay, what's up, Mike? Yo, how about that? You made it. You enjoy this. Come back Wednesday night, man. Can you do that again? Oh, look at that. Nice done in yellow Malibu SS. Gotta pay attention, they're rolling in kind of quiet. Yeah, it's Mopar. It is, Dano Derrick bunch. How about that? Yo, hey. Mopar strong. Normally we would see these at Dano Derrick's, well we did yesterday morning. And then live, got them coming everywhere. You can't run or hide from the Dano Live machine. I will catch you. Look at that, huh? 62 at a 409. It's a Bel Air. It's got a post. Red. Nice thumping idle, huh? Yeah, huh? Beautiful matte black finish Chevrolet pick 'em up truck. What up, guys? Yeah. Look at that. Sweet. Look at that, huh? 1967. Yo. Mustang. That's roadie. Hey, look who we have here. Sean Silver. What up, Sean? Glad you made it, bro. Yeah. Hey, Joni. Sean's in the house. How about that? Hey, these guys sneaking in through the other side. What the hey? Sneaking in the side door. Yo, look at here. Now they're coming in the right door. Hey. You got the Hemrod. Robert, what up, Broski? How you doing?
SCC in the house.
Yeah, man. Represent SCC, flying the flags. How about that? Now look at this gorgeous T-bird right here, huh? Yeah. Done up in red. Hey, how you doing this morning? Look at that, look at all them hoses coming out. It's under construction. We might have to get a new location. Something sneaking in up the upper level here. Look at that. How many times you see one of them Malibus? Looks like got another 70 SS rolling in now. But California Redemption Value Honda are leading the way. Oh, that is Steve. Look at that, huh? Hey, hey. Malibu. Look at that, huh? 53 Chevrolet. Look at that. Bel Air with a post. Oh, yeah. Duster. Dark. Mopar performance, that's for sure. Look at our GMC rat truck, all-wheel drive. Yeah, 68. Yeah, look at the lineup we got here, Steve. Look at that. Dano Derelicts in the house. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Big red. Look at El Camino. Anarchy. Don made it. I guess you made this decision. You made this decision, huh? Look at that, huh? Shelby, Cobra, Snake. What up? How you doing? Good morning. Bright and early again. Good thing the Snake was ready to wake up, huh? Yeah, another lineup. Yeah. Look at this, huh? Wow. Off-roading. Steal it. Looking good, yeah, broski. How about that? What a lineup. Yeah. Hey, my co-host, Tall Mike, Fuzzy Holman in the house. He was one of the early runs with a 70 SS, Wicked 70 Chevelle. Yeah, they're starting to come in now. Wow, they're lining on up. And they're coming in from all directions. They got them that way. They got them that way. Big hoops. And Malibu. A Fox body 5.0. What up, bro? Look at that. We got a 101 ZR1. Yeah. Oh man, that gorgeous C10. Yeah, what up? How you doing? That is so pretty to the eyes this early in the morning, I'll tell you that. Man, that's where you can say the carpet matches the drapes. You know? The wheels and the roof line. All the same color. And a line. Look at this. Wide body live, Brian Adams. No, not the singer, the race car driver. What up, Brian?
Good morning.
Good morning, yeah.
Again.
Yeah, huh? Wide body right there. That's the race car driver, Brian Adams. Surf City Classics member.
Are you excited to see this?
Oh, I don't know. They're all pretty exciting. Like, look at that, a 63 hard top, yo. 55 with a post. Look at that, 68 SS, yeah. 350 cubic inches, red line rally wheels. Whoa, another 350, 68, what's up? Look at that, huh? Whoa, somebody, oh, yeah, cool, thank you. Somebody opened up the Camaro gate, about time. Yeah. How about that? Sporting the Dano Live. Look at that, huh? Great. California license plate. racing Jeeps. Yeah, not a Jeep, but one of them Opars. And a Mustang. And a Corvette. Yeah, 2.3 liter turbo. That's a 4-cylinder. No, no four-cylinder in this white ghost. Look at that. Shawnee. Hey, hey. Look at that K5. Yeah. All right. Morning. How about that, Harley? All right. Let's hear it for our Valiant fans. Look at that, huh? Oh, look what we got here. Yeah. Wow. Look at the GMC, huh? Wow, beautiful. Yeah. 2500 V8. Aren't you glad it's raised up with a white top? I sure am. Look at that. Off-roading 4x4. Volkswagen's kind of go sideways over the hump. Oh, Vixen House! Man, you must have slept in the neighborhood.
I slept in Santa Ana.
Yeah, yeah. And I bailed last night around 8 o'clock. I had enough.
Yeah, it was too much.
Yeah, it was off the hook, huh?
Yeah, it was nice.
That's Vic in the Grand National. Look at the rib here. One bad rib. Oh boy. What we got here? Look at that. Racing. Mustang. Shelby GT 350. Yeah. All harnessed in. Yeah. Whoa. What we got here? Oh man. We're going to see everything here in Southern California this morning. Up to the battery truck. So big, can't get in the screen. And look at that, huh? Looks like a barn find right out of the fields. A custom C10 long bed. And followed up by another off-wheel, all-roll, 4-wheel drive, custom camper. Oh, man. What a one ride. Look at that. That is a bad custom right there. 9-passenger. Look at that. Yo, hold on, man. I got to focus and shoot. Look what I got here. It's Russell. He brought out the Volkswagen. Man, glad to see you. Man, yeah, feeling good? Good. Yeah. You're good to go, huh? That's good. Good news, man. Yeah. Keep it up. With a whole stable full of garage cars, he brought the Volkswagen. Man, look at that, huh? It's pretty. Aren't you glad it's orange? Yeah. Take a bug. They're rolling in now. We got the Dano Vision heated up. 69 Camaro. They're making all kinds of noise rolling in here. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Love the color. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, look at the Mustang. Got some new American mags on it. Yeah. 350 cubic inch dog dish. Steel wheel red line. Nova with traction bars. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, good morning. And look at that. F1 Hyundai. Short bed. Oh, look at a double nickel. Hard top. Wire wheels. White wall tires. Continental kit. Venetian blinds. That is pretty. And look what we got here. Look at that, huh? Dang. Wow. That's off the hook, bro. Look at that. the house. Look at that. You got Corvettes, oh my, yeah. Oh, look at this. Datsun 210 wagon. Oh man, oh no. The rotary on mine, I believe. Look at that. Ford's got a reef. Yeah, extra cab, Ranger XLT. Oh. Look at what we got here. Convertible. Good morning. How are you?
How are you, buddy?
I'm good, good. Choices. How'd you decide? You could have brought them all. Yeah, it's filling up. There's cars that come in through the back door that we didn't see. Cubic inches, rolling on some good years. The GTO 65. Oh, Darren Smith, DWS Classics. How about that? What up, broski? How about that? Darren Smith. Local Huntington Beach build. That's his first SEMA build right there. Hey! Steve. you glad I gave you the 411 on this?
What's happening, Dano?
Huh?
Absolutely. This
Man,
is super cool,
isn't
man.
this cool?
We're here.
I saw Mike, he was up early, he did it live, it didn't go too long, but he was up early, he said,
Oh, yeah.
he said pre-quarantine cruise video.
Yeah, we just got up and then
Yeah.
we started up the truck, and heck yeah, this is cool.
Yeah,
Very cool.
it's only begun.
That's an awesome
Yeah.
video there.
What about the Mercedes, huh?
Yeah. The Unimog is cool too.
Yeah.
Love it.
A lot of
This is
stuff you
great.
see for the first time.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
Great turnout so far.
Yeah.
There's what, 3 or 4 more stops to go?
Well, they leave out of here, they go down to Long Beach Marina Center. Yeah, the cruise down there. Yeah. Mike running around?
Yeah, he's here. We brought the hauler down.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you came in the back door, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, usually everybody comes in there. I was planning down there, but man, I'm seeing that with the freeway closed, people got to come in different ways now. Well, the off-ramp was closed. Cool. Look at that, the generally new version. He should be turned around in circles. Now the show can begin. Oh, I brought a bird. You got some cones there again.
All right, we'll see
All
you
right,
in a bit.
all right, Scott.
It's like the third, I think. Yeah.
Holy fuck, yeah, that's crazy.
That's okay.
Truck, huh?
Yeah. Wheels? 18s. 14s. Or no, 15s. 15s in the front, 14s in the back.
Hey, Dano.
Hey. How are you? What
How
up?
are you?
Good.
Late this morning.
Oh, I've been here. I caught you. You're the first one. I caught you coming
you
in.
did?
Oh yeah. I got you all through the weeds. I was hiding on you. Oh yeah.
I was.
Yeah, he was. You'll see when the video starts. He's the first one that starts the video. Oh.
Early to bed, early to rise.
Yeah.
Makes you not help or walk you
Look at this. $396, 1968. Mopar Joe, what do you know? Hey Joe, what do you know?
need stickier tires or what?
I do need stickier tires.
I told him I'd buy them for him, but he hasn't done it.
Hey Mike, Darren making me a liar now, huh?
About what?
About him wanting to sleep in.
Oh, yeah, no
I
sleeping.
wanted to sleep in, that's no lie.
No sleeping in.
I was asleep at night. I skipped a party last night so I could be here.
Hey, good morning. Look at that, huh? Coupe de Ville. Look at that, huh? Studebaker champion. What up, guys? Check out John wearing a Dano Live, pushing gears, pushing pedals, pulling gears shirt. Look at that. You can have one too. Just follow the description in the YouTube videos. Oh, look at Junior. You get a picture there. How about that? How cool, huh? Woo, he likes you, huh?
He's eating my zipper.
Yeah. Oh.
Like we all went to sleep and woke up at the same place.
He's eating my zipper.
Yeah. Yeah, I think he's liking you, Junior. Daisy, looks like you got a new pal there. Yeah. Yeah, he traded for a build, huh? Stanley, Daisy, Junior, Shavik in the house. Ah. Oops. Yo.
I ordered them a shirt, but I think it's adult small. I don't know if you have children's small. Or medium.
Yeah, I don't know. It's whatever they. I have no control over that.
Trim it down.
Yeah. Do some tailoring on it.
Say something else.
Good choice, huh?
Yeah,
I know you were making decisions: bicycles, motorbikes, or cars. Yeah.
Yeah, I got 5 motorcycles.
Yeah. This is one of the. This happens like once a month, so well, probably your other deal does too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this just started happening. The other thing's been happening for years.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Oh, Andy! Oh, look at that! Hey, fuck you, no. Neville Pilms, hanging me in a finger. Well, this ain't made for children now. Yeah, the rails on this, huh? What up, bro? Look at you with your C10 with the rails. 1968. Followed by a 67 Camaro. Yeah. Look at the dark. V8. Yeah. GT. White interior. Probably a 318. Huh? Hey, we got Lincolns. How about that? Yeah. Racing Cadillacs and V's. Corvettes and Javelin AMXs. Oh my. Look at the hood on that. Oh, you're fine. 390 cubic inch AMX. Stanley's in the house. Yeah. Your boy's on the. He's the thumbnail cover photo of the video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Stanley Jr. That is. Hot rods by Shavik.
Yeah, do you know ideas about
Is that right? Turn signal look crooked. Yeah. Now I got to enter all this now. Well, Neville. Yeah.
Drove right by my house.
He did. I was wondering when he pulled it in without you.
So I go, I hear the car, but I'm out there waiting.
Yeah.
He drives by. I'm all, what the?
Did he not know?
No, he knew, but he thought, because I sent him this text last night about Fluffy.
Oh. He thought you were riding in with
I go,
Fluffy,
hey,
huh?
Fluffy. Oh, I'm going to be there at 6:40, so I didn't. But so he thought I was going to go earlier, and I'm like, no, that's not what I said.
So how'd you get Andy?
Well, Andy was coming here, but I was AJK was gonna be my backup. My backup ride.
So what's the deal? What's the deal with the car? You're still waiting on a part?
No, we can't figure it out. We were troubleshooting it yesterday, and we think it's the alternator now. It's not giving enough amperage to run electronics.
It's been down a couple, 3 weeks now.
Yeah. Well, of course, that ECM was there, but the guy was on vacation, so I, like, oh. So I took an extra week out of it, an extra week.
Hey, take a look at the front of this 55. Tell me if the turn signal on the right side's off. Look at that. That drooping down? They're kind of like hanging down on this side. Surf City Classics represent in the house. Robert and Russell representing the Classics SCC style. Andy. Hey, bro. Morning. Oh, no thanks. No time to eat. I gotta work, bro. I can eat when this is all done with.
It's only for an hour.
Not like I'm gonna, I got plenty of storage.
Eat it on the way over there. Oh, that's right. You gotta stand by the freeway out.
Yep.
Watch the burnout.
Yeah, I gotta catch all you guys.
The weather's beautiful, right? Yeah. Beautiful day.
pulling up back here. A lot of guys came in through the back door. Oil dripper. How about that, Ron? Rick? Waiting on something over here. Got it all roped off. Big John's Ranchero. What are you gonna put in here?
Trans Am.
Ah, cool.
Old Smoky.
Yeah, Old Smoky, yeah. Wow. Look what we got coming down the line. Sounding better. .557 crew. RMD Garage right there, built out Long Beach. Beautiful morning for a show, huh?
Morning.
Yeah, good morning.
How
Good
are
seeing you. Good, good. That is one pretty 5.6. Kiwi 5.7. Steve. What's that? It is, isn't it? I let you down? Oh. Dano Vision, get the Tri-5 crew rolling in here. Yeah. Stefan, what up, broski?
What's up, Bubba?
I knew you'd be rolling in.
Hey, you know the deal.
Jezebel. Parade of Tri-5s. Calmads. 47 stroker. Oh. You got a doggy with him. Real hot rod. He got gears and pedals. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. What's going on? I knew I'd catch you guys. White over red, Bel Air hardtop 5.5, followed up by two-tone 5.6 hardtop, rolling on American mags. Oh boy, another two-tone 55 post Bel Air, white over yellow. White leather interior. Oh my! Oh, my co-host still ruling with his poppy. John, what's going on? Sporting a Dano live. Smile, fellas. Gotcha. How about that? Yeah. Cool. I was wondering where you guys were. You were over there at Costco. Huh? Yeah. Rolling in with the Tri-Fives. Man. What a parade you guys are making. Look at this. 55 Bel Air Nomad. All original. There's Jason's dad's car. Now it's his car. One day it'd be Dylan's car. Keeping it in the family. Look at that, huh? Isn't that pretty? Baby blue with a white roof. Huh? Nice wheels on that. Yeah. With a post. Yeah, huh? That was off the hook last night, huh?
That's where I spent my time. They do that every, like, dude, almost every
Yeah.
day in LA. They don't put it up. They don't tell people.
I finally left at 8, man. We got there about 2:30 set up, and by 8 I was tired.
That's good. You see it pocket and shit?
Yeah, oh yeah. And you know what was cool? No cops showed up at all.
Yeah.
No, they just let it be. They let it run. And nobody made any trouble. What up, bro? You need more horsepower? I think you might need more horsepower. That gets you 5 to 10. Look at that. straight. Got brand new interior. New brakes, wheels, tires. Another 62. Look at that, huh? 62 or that? Ooh. Look at that. That's the show at Garden Grove. Diane Bain show a few weeks ago. Belvedere. EL1. Wide Body Life. See him on Instagram. Right here. Look at that, huh? Grand National. 6GN. 16GN. He even got most road monster cars. We got Dodge, 1500 Hemis, 5.7 liters, and we got Honda cars. Yo, how much horsepower you got?
About 180.
Look at that, huh? All right, we got Volkswagens. We got everything. Oil drippers. 71 Chevy. Well, that is 12 wheels, black guts. Black flat, 71. 72, excuse me. Window buses, 23 of them. Look at that. What up? You guys are styling. Look at that. Shelby 02. Look at that. Orange with white stripes. Yeah, hood pins to keep it in. Hi. Morning. It's still rolling. Yeah. LS1, a 69 Chevelle. F1 Hyundai. Let's hear you rev it.